Hey guys, this is Brittany and today I have another quick wig review for you guys. So today's wig review is brought to you by Beauty Forever. I have worked with him before. I worked with him last October or September. I made a really beautiful like curly wig and I actually wore it to my bridal shower last year. This time around I went with a body wave texture. So they sent me 3 bundles of their Brazilian body wave hair in 22 inches, and they also sent me a 20-inch closure. Depending on like the order that this video goes up, I haven't made a wig with a closure in a very long time. It's probably been like 4 or 5 months, so I kind of had to relearn how to do it. And if you don't know how to make a wig using a hot glue gun method, I'll put a video on the info card for you guys. I used the hot glue gun method to construct this wig. I got a spandex dome cap. I sewed the closure onto the dome cap and then I glued the tracks onto the dome cap. I think I used pretty much all of the hair. I did use all of the hair. I barely have this adhered to my head. The only area where I have some of the got to be glued is like at the front when I kind of gelled down some baby hairs. But other than that, I don't have any adhesive or anything on my hairline. I just made sure that the wig was made to fit my head really well. And if it wasn't fitting very well, I could sew some elastic inside the cap for a better fit. I actually shifted the wig as a side part. I want to wear it as a middle part so bad, but I do realize in a lot of my videos I do wear my wigs as a side part. I do realize in a lot of my videos I wear my wigs as a middle part, so I tried to switch it up today for a side part. So I shifted it to the side and then I did kind of a more curved part, and I curled this wig using this same curl wand that I have mentioned in a few other videos. And this particular curl wand came from a 6-in-1 curl wand kit, and if I have the link I'll put it in the description box for you guys. I got mine from Amazon. Yeah, so far as the hair goes, I have some shedding, but it's not too bad, especially for using the hot glue gun method to construct this wig. I don't have that much shedding, but I do have some shedding. The closure, I don't have any complaints about that. It's fine. The texture of this hair is gorgeous, very beautiful. I do feel like this is a kind of hair I'm definitely gonna, if I recurl this hair, I'm gonna definitely do smaller sections, because I was kind of like curling this wig up fast, and it does have a beautiful like look to it the way that I curled it up, but I used bigger sections when I was curling this wig up, and I could have like pin curled the hair so I could have like more voluminous curls. But yeah, it's fine. I think it still looks very pretty the way that it's styled. I haven't gotten any tangling with this wig at all yet. Eventually I might, but right now I don't. So minimal shedding, no issue with the hair itself yet, or the closure area, or the closure. I don't have any issues with that yet. Falls on me for 22 inches. Closures are very easy to style, and like I said, I'm gonna be mixing it up, doing frontals and closures sometimes, because it's just so convenient. So yeah, so if you are interested in this particular hair, I'll leave links to where you can purchase it on Beauty Forever in the description box. I want to thank Beauty Forever for sending me this hair to showcase to you guys, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.